everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Tendicube, a revolutionary meat tenderizer that promises to make cooking delicious and juicy meals a breeze. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions. I have to admit, I was pretty skeptical about the Tendicube at first. It's just a small cube, so I wasn't sure how effective it could be. But once I got it out of the box, I was impressed with the quality and design. It feels sturdy and well-made, and the instructions are simple and easy to follow. Features and functionality. So, how does this thing work? It's actually pretty simple. You just place your meat in the Tendicube, press the button, and let it work its magic. The Tendicube uses tiny blades to tenderize the meat without damaging the fibers or compromising the flavor. The best part is that it's incredibly fast and efficient. I tenderized a whole chicken breast in just a few minutes, and the results were amazing. The meat was incredibly tender and juicy, even though I didn't use any marinades or other tenderizing methods. Performance and usability. I've been using the Tendicube for a few weeks now, and I'm absolutely loving it. It's made cooking so much easier and more enjoyable. I can now cook a variety of delicious dishes without having to worry about my meat being tough or chewy. It's also incredibly easy to clean. The blades are removable and dishwasher safe, so it just takes a few minutes to get it back to its original state. Pros and cons. Pros: effortless tenderizing, consistent results, preserves flavor and texture, safe and easy to use, compact and portable. Cons: limited capacity, may not be suitable for large cuts of meat, requires electricity to operate. Where to get yours? And as always, I'll leave a link to the Tendicube Kickstarter campaign in the description below. This is a project I'm definitely backing, and I encourage you to do the same if you're interested in taking your cooking to the next level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.